All right, guys, we got brand new from Genuine Motorcycle Company, Genuine Scooter Company, if you're old school like I am, right out of the crate, Royal Alloy. Now what this is our modern interpretation of our old Lambretta scooters that everyone loves so much. When the Vespas came back in 1998, everyone got excited, but people complained they didn't look enough like the old Vespas. And what everybody wanted was an old Vespa that had an automatic transmission, steel body, etc. Now eventually they got there, but this is the Lambretta side of the house. Now if you watch, we're going to do some more videos about Royal Alloy in particular, tell you a little bit about what their company is and what their company is all about. And Trey, I am wearing your shirt, man, love you much. Cool, let's go ahead and open this guy up. And let's get a look at this thing. Okay, first of all, good crating. Got a metal crate under there, which I always like. Oh, nice blue color. Very cool. Let me go ahead and get the surgical weapon here. Just a snip. All right. Very cool. Now, you may not want to come at this as aggressively as I do, but hey, this is big excitement around here. Well, I see some really cool little turn signals. Much appreciated as opposed to those giant usual DOT turn signals we see on bikes. Oh boy, we're getting close. Oh yeah. Very snazzy. Look at that, guys. Wow. I like the badging on the back. Looks like there's even a Kickstarter hiding under there. All right. Whip. Let your eyes fall all over this machine. That's about as fast as I can do it. She's done. All right, time. I'm gonna move this here. Looks like we got some cool little passenger pegs there that pop out of the side. I'm a big fan of that. Looks like we got a side stand direct from the manufacturer. I do like that. Very, very cool. Of course there will be more videos, but for now, this is just for you impatient types. Get it out of the way. It looks like there is a USB port inside the glove box. Very sharp. Really neat. So, looks like it comes with Changshin tires. Looks like they've got adjustable front suspension, left and right. That's kind of cool. Very neat. Wow, that's an interesting feeling. Wow. Certainly stout. Definitely got some strength to it. Really, really neat. Master cylinder for the rear and master cylinder for the front. I know that's going to mean there's a disc brake on the back. Super cool. Really do dig it. All right, gas tanks under here. No locks or key switches or anything. There is a helmet holder under here and just suction cups that hold the driver's seat down. I like the split saddles, looks pretty cool. All right, well that's it. Keep in touch with us, all right? Remember to subscribe, ring that bell. That'll help you find out when we do more videos just like this. The whole idea is we want to get you information as fast as it comes out. So, ClevelandMoto, remember to ride fast, take chances.